This is my honest review of Honeywell QuietSet Whole Room Tower Fan. In case you consider buying it, I will leave a link in description for you to access it on Amazon. This Honeywell 8-speed tower fan exudes the feel of a spring breeze throughout your home, featuring QuietSet technology that allows users to control their sound and cooling options, making it the perfect year-round fan for any home. Its slim modern design of this quiet and powerful fan features oscillating motion for whole room cooling. It features 8-speed touch button controls and comes with a remote control that nests in the back of the fan housing for easy storage. Using fans for air circulation in your home can help increase your comfort and help reduce energy costs as well. Honeywell carries a range of tower fans, floor fans, and oscillating fans. Find one for every room in the house. This amazing fan helps cool you off and improves airflow in your room or home. Give your air conditioner and wallet a break by using this fan to help reduce your energy consumption and costs. Honeywell carries a variety of fans to meet your home needs. It also incorporates Honeywell Turbo Force Air Circulator fan, which has 3 speeds and a 90-degree pivoting head. This quiet fan is compact and perfect for placement on the floor, but powerful enough to provide comfortable cooling in small to medium rooms. Last but not least, Honeywell's Turbo Force line of fans have an aerodynamic turbo design to maximize air movement, offering the power for intense cooling or energy-saving air circulation. The ease of a medium fan with power you can feel from 32 feet away. If you love this, check out the link in description.